Step inside this Spanish Mediterranean estate, where timeless details meet modern comfort. From the sunlit library to the courtyard patios, every corner exudes warmth and sophistication. The exterior showcases Mediterranean charm with white stucco walls, a red-tiled roof, wrought iron accents, and an arched entry framed by terracotta planters, elegant yet inviting. A crisp white hallway with dark wood floors leads to a foyer featuring black ceiling beams and a curved staircase with sleek railings and greenery. The library features deep navy built-in shelves, a tufted sofa-patterned rug, and golden accents, with large windows bringing in natural light to the intimate, sophisticated space. The living room is expansive with dark wood beams, wrought iron chandeliers, light neutral sofas, bold floral chairs, patterned drapes, and a woven rug blending Spanish style with cozy comfort. The sitting area has coffered ceilings, dark beams, antique chairs, and an ornate rug. The formal dining room features a wooden table, upholstered chairs, a wrought iron chandelier, and greenery, blending rustic Spanish style with elegance. The kitchen features cream cabinetry, dark wood floors, black beams, a large island marble countertops, pendant lights, and wooden bar stools, combining style, function, and warmth. The family room has a large beige sectional patterned blue pillows, a yellow armchair round wooden coffee table, and rug under exposed beams. The primary bedroom has dark wood ceiling beams, white walls, a large leather and wood bed, a neutral rug, and French doors and windows bringing in natural light. The primary bathroom is a bright spa-like retreat with dual marble vanities, a soaking tub, beneath a window-patterned tile floors, arched mirrors, chandeliers, and soft neutral tones blending luxury and comfort. The covered balcony has terracotta floors, wrought iron railings, comfortable seating with red patterned pillows, and lantern-style lights, adding Mediterranean charm. The covered patio features cushioned seating, exposed beams, clay pots, and a spacious layout blending Mediterranean style with comfortable outdoor living. The garage exterior features 3 arched wooden doors, stucco framing, wrought iron balcony railings, and a red-tiled roof blending Spanish style with functional elegance.